Radhe Radhe all of you. Myself Aradhna ma'am. I'm your GK teacher. Today topic is words name. Now look at the word. Words हमारे कौन होते हैं? हमारे words feathers friend होते हैं. Now look at the word. First is pigeon. Pigeon. What is the spelling of pigeon? Pigeon. Pigeon अक्सर हम लोग देखते हैं अपने घर के आसपास pigeon को, pigeon words को. Next is parrot. Parrot. What is the spelling of parrot? Parrot. Parrot ये भी बर्ड्स हमारे घर में या आसपास उड़ते हुए दिखते हैं. पैरट्स हमारे जैसा भी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज स्पैरो. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्पैरो? SPARROW. स्पैरो. नेक्स्ट इज क्रो. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ क्रो? Spelling is CROW. Crow. And next word is cock. 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 And next word is duck. 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 And next word is kingfisher. What is the spelling of kingfisher? KING. King. FISHER. Kingfisher. Next is eagle. EAGLE. What is the spelling of eagle? EAGLE. Eagle. Next word is turkey. What is the spelling of turkey? TURKEY. Turkey. And next word is peacock. काफी खूबसूरत होता है ये वर्ड. हम लोग देखते हैं तो बहुत खुशी होती है. What is the spelling of? हमारा नेशनल वर्ड है peacock. And what is the spelling of peacock? PEACOCK. Peacock. Once again, repeat after me. What first is pigeon? Next is parrot. Next is a sparrow. Crow. Cock. Duck. Kingfisher. Eagle. Turkey. And last is peacock. Thank you.